Hi guys! Welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So ito po ang aking reading para sa kapalaran sa pananalapi for all signs. By the way, if you would like to fast forward or mapunta ka na sa sign kung ano yung sign mo, please check the description box and click the time frame kung ano yung zodiac sign mo. So mas mapadali ka dun sa zodiac sign na kailangan mo ng reading, okay? So, thank you. Let's start. Okay, so this is for Aries. Okay, so for what I can see here, there's this courthouse, message of concern. For what I can see here, kailangan mo mag-ingat or wag ka masyadong mabilis, okay? Dahil maaaring mayroon kang mga action na magawa this January 2021 na pagmulan ng gulo dito. So if I see legal matter na maaaring magdulot or may kaharapin kang has something to do with the legal matter this January 2021 kung masyado kang magpapadalos-dalos. Pagdating naman sa, sa I feel like there's a career or something, pwedeng something na nag-end or natapos or bumagsak. I see a house na medyo parang hindi maganda ang kinalabasan. Maaaring may mga nag-end, has something to do with this building a home or house, something na ganon. Or pwedeng sa sitwasyon mo ngayon, may mga natapos. Nakikitaan ko ito ng wala pang kasiguraduhan because you have to take this risk. Okay, we have here hand of cards. So, kailangan mong magawa ng risk or kailangan mong mag-isip ng strategy in order for you na malagpasan yan kung ano man yung pagkakabagsak na pinagdadaanan mo or pagdadaanan mo ngayon. And with the courthouse and judgment, yes, high possibility of a legal matter na kahaharapin this 2021. Pero I feel like this is favorable for you, especially with the 10 of coins right here. Okay? So, pumapabor sa'yo ito. And with the 10 of cups, I feel like matatapos po ito. Especially if you would give your all dito. Lahat ng alam mo or lahat ng kakayanan mo ay maibibigay mo dito. And we have here paradise. So yeah, maganda yung sinasabi dito. There's happiness, expansion, joy. So if you're looking forward sa something na we have something to do with papers, contract, ganyan, maganda yung sinasabi pagdating dyan. With the message of concern and 7 of wands, I feel like there are challenges or may mga kaunting pagbabago na kailangan mong kaharapin. And pero for what I can see here with the healthy choices, you have this you have this kind of parang yung emotion na meron kang kakayahan na pumili or gumawa ng action sa kung ano yung gusto mong gawin or mangyari para sa'yo. We have here Queen of Swords, 10 of coins, Queen of Wands. Yeah, dalawang queen po yan. So, maganda yung sinasabi kasi I feel like kung meron man ditong mga babagsak or may mga sitwasyon na parang masusubok ka, makikitaan dito ng potential na mas lalo mong maipapakita yung kakayanan mo, yung tatag mo, at saka yung decision making mo kung gaano ka kagaling doon. With the 10 of coins, mag-o-overflow ang blessing sa'yo once na nilabas mo lahat ng kakayanan na mailalabas mo. Okay? Because you have a lot of it. With the Queen of Swords and Queen of Wands right here. Kahit anong hawakan mo, kahit anong desisyon na piliin mo, for sometimes lang yung mga desisyon nakakasakit or masakit para sa'yo. Pero still, gagawin mo yung desisyon na yon because it is for the better. And because of that, mas lalo kang hahangaan ng tao. Okay, so that's it for now, Aries. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye. Okay, so this is my reading for Taurus. Let's start the reading. We have here great fortune, judication, wealthy man, 7 of cups, page of wands, 3 of coins. For what I can see here, and also at the bottom of the deck, lovers and thoughts. Yan, nakukuha ko dito. Ang energy, high possibility of marriage. Pero, you have to take note, guys. I mean, this is not love reading. But then, for what I can see here, you're dealing with a karmic relationship right here. And I see separation. Lumabas din po dito regarding a wedding. Yes, there's this wedding ring. So, possible na magkapuroon ng separation pagdating sa mag-asawa. Or if you are currently planning to have a marriage, ay siguraduhin mo munang mabuti because you are dealing with a wealthy man right here. For what I can see here, maaaring with the Three of Coins, I see a third-party relationship na pwedeng kaharapin in the future if you would not think about yourself. Kumbaga, I mean, your thoughts or your, huwag ka munang magpakasigurado. Kumbaga, we have your judication and this is an ending of a marriage or parang planning. Kumbaga, nasa judge. Ayan, I feel like there's this annulment issues na mangyayari dito. I mean, if there's an annulment issues, this is favorable with you. Kung nandito na kayo sa stage na nagkakaroon ng annulment dito, we have here theft. Okay, so might be this person is minsan na nawala sa'yo dahil ninakaw ka. Or yeah, third-party relationship. And there's this karmic relationship. This is not okay for you. Pagdating naman sa money, okay yung sinasabi dito. I mean, there's this Seven of Cups. But you know, you're well focused on your emotion. Pero kung hindi mo ifo-focus, kung i-shift mo yung emotion mo from being emotionally kumbaga stuck because of your emotion, well, you have this great fortune, dadating yan sa'yo, pero medyo ilaylo mo yung emotion mo, mas pairalin mo yung thoughts mo, yung mind mo, and i-welcome mo itong great fortune na dadating dito sa buhay mo. Okay, this January 2021, there's this feeling na may mga action dito na kailangan mong pag-isipan nga or gawa ng action nang may ginagamit na utak. Kasi maaaring mas magpadalos-dalos ka. With the Hanged Man, it is telling you na wait. Okay, you have to wait. Especially with the great fortune. Kasi pag sinabing great fortune, malaki po yan. Malaki. Dadating ito pero you have to have patience with the Hanged Man. Kailangan hintayin mo at saka alisin mo nga yung emotion na hindi naman dapat. Because with the world right here, possible of, going abroad. High possibility po. And with the Empress, possible din ang pregnancy and fertility this January 2021. So if you're currently in a relationship or if you're married and you wanted to have a child, possible po ang pregnancy this January 2021. So I love you all, guys. Thank you for watching and bye-bye. Hello, this is my reading for Cancer. So, I mean Gemini. I'm sorry. Ay, oo nga, Cancer. I'm Gemini nga, Gemini. Ano ba? Nalilito na ako. Gemini. Okay. So, for what I can see here with the courtship, thoughts, privilege, lady, the lovers, Gemini energy, Four of Swords, Two of Swords. I feel like there's a decision na kailangan mong gawin this January 2021. And, kailangan mo pag-isipan mabuti. And for what I can see here, you're kumbaga, bihasa na yung mind mo eh. Kumbaga, alam mo na yung mga dapat mong gawin. With the courtship right here, maaaring merong mga walang kasiguraduhan. So, maaaring may mga decision na kailangan kang pagdesisyonan with regards to your finances. And nakikita ko yung knowledge mo with regards to that. So, kung ano man I see a partnership here na possible mangyari. So, if you are single, possible din ang relationship. Pero if, with regards to money naman, I see a partnership here. Pero use your mind, please. Use your mind. Kasi there's this false person na nagpapakita dito. Like, maaaring ipakita niya yung sarili niya. Mag-offer siya sa'yo whatever it is na pwede niyang i-offer. Just to have you as a partner. Okay? So, I see is pyramiding scheme here or scamming scheme. So possible, kasi when this scamming happens, maaaring may kinalaman sa business, whatever it is, na parang if it is too good to be true, wag mong paniwalaan kasi false person is someone who is not telling the truth. Okay? Maaaring ipinapakita niya yung mga magaganda, like ganito yung possible mong kitain, whatsoever, ganyan, hahainan ka ng mga great opportunities or business style scheme na maaaring sasabihin sa'yo, kailangan ko ng partner, kailangan ko ng business partner, pwede ka ba, whatsoever, ganyan. But do not fall for that. Use your mind, use your thoughts. with the Four of Swords, hindi ko nakikita yung stability mo doon sa kung ano man yun, yung ano man yung ibibigay na iyon sa'yo. With the Six of Coins right here at the bottom of the deck, I feel like you have enough savings whatsoever, ganyan. So, possible na magkaroon ka niyan this January 2021 or currently, pwedeng meron ka na niyan ngayon. And you're planning to have this business or whatever it is na investment, and you have to double think twice, ganyan. And we have here Three of Cups. Yeah. So I feel like talaga that is with regards to, can you see the cups? It's overflow. I mean, it's not overflowing. They're throwing away the yung parang pinaka water doon sa cup. And maaaring ibuhos mo yung something with this I feel like meron kang paglalaanan ng oras at attention dito. And I feel like wala pa yung kasiguraduhan eh. Actually, you have to double kumbaga hanggat maaari, mag-ingat ka this January 2021 kasi I mean, there's this magician. You know what a magician do? The magician shows you a lot. Ipapakita niya yung kagandahan without showing you the tricks. Or kumbaga parang nililin lang ka na niya sa mata niya, sa utak niya, whatsoever. And that is what would happen this January 2021. Possible na maloko ka, kaya mag-ingat kang mabuti. And we have here King of Coins. Yeah. This is you with the privileged lady and the two of King of Coins. I feel like there's this feeling na may kailangan kang tanggapin. Okay? So, possible na may blessings na dumating sa'yo this 2021 opportunity. Like, you have to think about it. Tanggapin mo yon kasi possible, with the girl talk right here, possible na makuha mo itong message na ito through call, through message, through social media. You would receive it. Okay? And it's a good news actually. Nakukuha ko yung good news dito. Maybe from a friend na matagal mo nang hindi nakilala. So, pwedeng mga musta sa'yo and that would you would have this like with the cassette right here, possible na I see a reunion. Parang balik tanaw, ganun. Or memories na pag-share nyo together. And we have here Hand of Cards. Take a chance, risk being strategic, options not showing hand gambling. So, this is with regards to those manloloko. I feel like this January 2021 is full of manloloko dito. So, you have to really take care. This is Hand of Cards. This is someone na parang having this poker face. Ipapakita niya sa yung okay, whatsoever, ganyan, na you have to take this chance, kailangan mong mag-risk, but, nilalaro ka lang itong taong to eh. So, that you have to take note of that. And that's it for now, Gemini. Thank you for watching. I love you all, guys, and bye-bye. Okay, so this is my reading for Cancer. This is for January 2021. So, let's start the reading. For what I can see here, possible ang pag-move in or pag-move out this January 2021 or may magpapalit ng location dito or magpapalit ng bahay. Okay, if you're not planning naman, it is like pertaining to with the family room right here. I see a guest with a message na maaaring dumalaw sa'yo, yeah. So, kailangan mong ayusin yung bahay mo. Medyo, tanggalin mo yung mga hindi na kailangan and then, medyo pagpalit-palitin mo yung pwesto ng mga furniture. Okay? And if you have incenso, please do use that because I see a negative energy here with the karmic relationship. Possible na magkakaroon ng gulo sa inyong relationship, sa inyong tahanan, yung negativity. I feel like merong mga you need to clear your home space, Kasi because of this negativity, pwedeng maidala yun sa bahay nyo and mag-cause yun ng gulo around your family, around your relationship with your husband or with your wife. And yeah, you have to clear your space because of that para matapos or para hindi mangyari ma-prevent. Okay? Doon tayo sa prevention. Why? Because this might cause this tower moment. Pwede magkaroon ng ending as if of a situation or pwedeng sinasabi na nating gulo Okay? So, because of that, you have to clear your space. Okay, tanggalin niyo mo yung mga negative energy, yung mga basura, yung mga hindi na kailangan itapon na para ma-prevent. Okay, ang gagawin natin is prevention because this is going to, nakikitaan natin dito ng, you know that. If your person is a kind of person na pwede kayong mag-trigger, magkaroon ng away na malala dito, iwasan mo na. Clear your space, linisin mo yung bahay mo para hindi kayo pasukin ng init ng ulo or ng negativity. Okay? And kung may insenso ka, insensohan mo na rin yung bahay mo. And we have here journey, Ace of Cups. This is pagsisimula. So, maaaring magkaroon ka ng journey or paglalayag or pagta-travel na has something to do with pagsisimula dito. Okay? And we have here King of Swords and a message. So, possible that, okay. There's this, with the 9 of Wands, this is someone resolving something. So, maaaring, merong message dito that has something to do with you na very challenging na kailangan ng action mo para masolusyonan ito. It is you na makakagawa ng solution dito sa answer. I mean, with this kind of action. Oo, ikaw yung nakikita kong gumagawa ng action dito eh. So, maaaring may message dito that has something to do with you making an action regarding things. Like, halimbawa, may kailangan kang puntahan, there's this message na sasabihin sa'yo, you need to go to this place, etc., etc. So, a high chance of travel for you guys. And focus on self-worth, time to heal, shadow work, self-appreciation. I mean, this is with regards to you concentrating dito sa development mo. If you can improve your home, please do take note, yung sarili mo is also your home. May tinatawag tayong yung body yung pinaka sa temple natin. So, you have to take care of it as well. Huwag mong kalimutan magpaganda, magayos, magpagupit, or whatsoever na hindi na maganda sa'yo na kailangan mo ng alisin, whether it is an attitude or ang sinasabi dito. Kasi ang daming opportunity eh. May dadating. Kaya lang kailangan mong mag-ayos muna ng sarili mo. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. Ang daming opportunity, kaya lang kailangan mo munang ayusin yung sarili mo. Dahil, if hindi ka ready, kung hindi ka healthy, or yung sarili mo hindi ready dito sa mga dadating, baka mahirapan ka. Okay, so napakarami pong opportunity na dadating dito. And we have here the runner, the hangman. Someone here is waiting for you, but you are running away from this. Like, inaalisan mo, whatever it is na itong naghihintay na ito. Wag naman sana utang. Pero I feel like may naghihintay sa'yo. And yeah, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Please do put plants. I see plants here. Malagyan nyo ng halaman yung inyong bahay. There's a lot of negativity around you at this time. This January 2021. I love you all guys and bye-bye. Hello, so this is my reading for Leo. Okay? So, this is Kapalaran sa Pananalapi this January 2021. For what I can see here with the high honor, I mean, huwag ka masyadong magpadalos-dalos. There's a lot of things that would happen this. There's a lot of negative or bad things na pwedeng mangyari kung magmamadali ka. Okay? Especially with the false person right here and the magician nagpakita po dito. So, possible na, you know, a magician, right? So, maaaring may mga tinatago or may mga hindi sinasabi or maaaring nagpe-play ng tricks sa'yo. So, you have to take note. Take note of that. Okay? So, if it is too good to be true, kumbaga, we have your 7 of Cups. This is you. You have a lot of parang resources. Sabihin na natin may mga kaya kang ibigay. For some of you, you might be thinking of an investment. Okay? Or thinking of changing a job or making a decision regarding having this job or career na pinagpipilian, pero you have to think twice kasi there's this false person na maaaring nililin lang ka lang or pwede kang lokohin. With the Fool right here, you know, you just have to use your mind. Okay? Huwag ka masyadong mag-rush into things or mag-jump into action, lalo na kung masyadong malayo sa katotohanan. With the Mature Man right here, the 9 of Cups, possible that this is a mature man. This is someone who has this qualities of being a mature. So, pwedeng mga ang age niya is siguro mga nasa 40 to 50 years old. And, possible din mga 60, 65, mga ganyan. So, you have to take note of that person. Okay? Because etong person na ito would do this girl talk right here. Like, kakausapin ka niya, like, chichikahin ka and do this parang, having fun, energy. But, we have here the runner, so stay away from this. Like, lumayo ka, umalis ka. Because we have here the clock. You need time, takes time, cycles to heal, progress. Kumbaga, kumbaga kung nasan ka man ngayon, kung hindi man ganun yung progress na nangyayari, kung medyo matagal yung daloy ng pera sa'yo, okay lang yan. Huwag kang maniwala doon sa sasabihin sa'yo, mabilis na pera, mas madali, mas maganyan. You have to think twice. With the moon right here, use your intuition. Kung ano yung sinasabi ng kutob mo, yun ang paniwalaan mo. Okay? Kasi maaaring with the tower right here, ito po ay biglang pagbagsak. Kung hindi ka maniniwala sa kutob mo, sa intuition mo, maaaring ang ending nito ay biglang pagbagsak mo. And we have here the justice. So, this is, ano tawag dito? Legal matter, contract, certificate, lahat ng yan, mga papel. So, huwag ka bastang pirma ng pirma. Think twice. Basahin mo mabuti kung ano nakasulat. So, that's it for now. Leo, please do like and subscribe to our channel, guys. I love you all and bye-bye. Okay, so this is my reading for Virgo. We have your sudden wealth, distant horizon, judication, Seven of Coins, Queen of Coins, the Tower. For what I can see here, there's a sudden wealth na nakukuha ko sa energy mo. I mean, possible na may dumating sa yung huge amount of money this January 2021. Possible na kung hindi man dumating, mahawakan mo and it is overflowing. So, masyadong marami ito. Biglaan and marami. And we have here distant horizons. For some of you, you might be thinking of going abroad. With the Queen of Coins, I feel like you need to analyze kung tingin mo ito ba yung makakapagbigay sa'yo ng stability. Like, if you would go to a certain place, tingin mo ba mabibigyan ka nito ng stability na kailangan mo? Or, you want this Seven of Coins, which is overflowing. Parang kailangan mong gumawa ng risk for this huge amount of money na ma-receive mo. We have your 10 of Coins at the bottom of the deck. So, napakaganda po ng sinasabi pagdating sa financial reading mo. Okay? But with adjudication and tower right here, something here is ending. So, may kailangan kang tapusin in order for this huge amount of money na dumating sa'yo. Okay? May kailangan kang tapusin or kailangan matapos sa buhay mo, sa sarili mo. Possible na, I don't know, there's a love reading here for some of you. Unconditional love, self-love, oneness, passion, affection, attraction. When it comes to love, I see someone here having this strength or lakas ng loob to have this relationship or to tell these words to you na parang there's this pag-amin. But then, maaaring himay-himay lang or konti-konti lang, konting paramdam. And we have here the dragonfly, be light-hearted, finding out things, coming to light, adopt, change, heal. Yes, maraming pagbabago. This ang tawag dito, this January 2021. And we have here, not today, not dealing hurt, avoiding conversation, cold person, boundaries, still angry. 5 of Wands. So, I feel like this is pertaining to there's a fight here. For some of you, medyo mag-ingat ka kasi you might be trying to avoid something na pwedeng mag-cause ng fight. So, yeah, you're doing the right thing to do. Kasi I feel like this would cause a fight or pwedeng mag-cause ng tower moment. Like, there's this feeling na iniiwasan ito. And you're trying to do that. Naiwasan itong pag-aaway na ito. Pero high chance po, this January 2021. Kung hindi mo magagawang umiwas or mapuno ka na. Okay? Kasi sobrang bigat na nung emotion na nararamdaman dito. So, that's it for now. Virgo, thank you for watching. I love you guys and bye-bye.